Hi everyone, so this is your Sprout session 2. Now today we're going to set your goal and I will teach you how you connect your Instagram page with Sprout. So at this point you already received my invitation at your Salve email. So go to sproutsocial.com, and this will be the first page that you will see when you log in, and this is called the Sprout Social dashboard, and we can check everything including the publishing, our to-do list, how's our engagement data, and the contact information at Sprout, everything on here. So our first topic and first weekly report will be about listening, social listening. So I'll just briefly remind you guys what is social listening about, even if we talked about it in our last video. So listening is to understand your audience. So it's like interpersonal communication. You have to listen first before you understand different person's opinion, their perception. So to read the market and your targeted audience's taste, we are doing a systematic listening on social media, and with the help of Sprout, you'll be able to gather different platform social media data, so to do your social listening more effectively. So you're uncovering any trends or any actionable insights. So any advice you can actually find from social media, from your competitor brands' social media listening data, will be a great base to work on for your business strategy and also for your branding. So these are the core features you can do on Sprout. Audience analysis, so you'll get all kinds of demographic data about your audience. Customer feedback, consumer research, influencer recognition, so you'll see who is in the center of all the communication that people are talking about your brand. Sentiment research, are they feeling positive, negative, or are they mostly neutral? Campaign analysis, competitor comparison, trend identification. So this is how our semester will look like regarding activities with Sprout. So since today is the real first session with using Sprout Social, we are simply connecting your brand business Instagram page with Sprout. I sometimes call Instagram IG, so keep in mind. And also we're going to set goals. I'll post the discussion questions after you watch this lecture video, please answer to those questions. And then our first topic will be social listening. Then there will be weekly Sprout Report 1, and then publishing. Then I ask you to upload your final project proposal, presentation, and also final project proposal. So based on your listening and publishing assignments that you've already did in previous weeks, what are the weaknesses you've observed from your competitor? So listening will be basically you listen to your competitor of your choice. So if you are building a IG business page that is about desserts in Newport, that was actually one of my previous students' project. So she listened to Magnolia Bakery in New York because she was interested in building a cupcake and cake business in Newport. So yes, she listened to Magnolia Bakery, and since it's a nationwide dessert chain, have anyone tried this place? It's one of my favorite places in New York, and they recently opened the one in Penn Station. So whenever I take train to go to New York, I tend to buy their cupcakes and banana pudding. It's really, really good. I hope you guys can try it out. So you listen to Magnolia Bakery if you're building a dessert page on IG, fictitious brand for your desserts. If you are opening a luxury boutique page on Instagram, also a fictitious brand page in Newport, you are listening to any luxury fashion brand, and one of my previous students listened to a brand called Versace. So it is based on your choice of IG page. So you choose a bigger and more successful competitor to listen to, so you can learn from their success and also mistakes on Instagram and other social media platform. So yeah, what are the weaknesses you observed from your competitor? And second question is, what are your brand's social media strategies based on the listening assignment? So I hope you guys can feel how these each week's topics are all related to each other. So the final project proposal is a 2-page document, 11 point in Times New Roman and double spaced. And I ask you to submit this on Canvas assignments by April 14th. And I also want you to guys present your proposal in 5 minutes and post this also on Canvas assignments. And you can upload media, click the upload media button on Canvas, and you can shoot your video in that way on Canvas directly. And then our following topics are engagement, that will be Sprout Report 3, reports and analytics will be the weekly report 4, and then measuring the impact and engagement strategy, it's kind of an extended topic from the engagement session. And then social monitoring, that will be our last topic on Sprout. And then you will upload your final presentations in the week of April 25th till 29th. And then on April 29th, you have your final paper due. Till the end of April 29th. So that's the end of our semester. So I hope it's clear to you what we are expected to do on Sprout. So on your final paper, it's all kinds of it's all combination of weekly reports and also your own insights that you learned from our activities on Sprout. So include the results of weekly reports assignments in your final project. Based on listening, what kind of publishing have you done throughout the semester? So we are basing our publishing plan from the listening project that we listened to our competitor brand. And then, so what are your reports like? So we're going to the analytics part. How did you use the analytics tool we learned for your brand? And then show us your efforts in increasing the engagement. So tell us how you use the engagement tool, the inbox tool that I will teach you guys in the engagement session. So DMs, direct messages, and comments, etc. on Instagram. So tell me about your Instagram business accounts. So that was my previous lecture's discussion question. I just wanted to see where you guys at in terms of planning what IG business accounts that you want to open. So we decided on your business and the account name. Tell us about your final decision. And I sent you an invite, so please check your Salve email to come to Sprout Social. So the invite looks like this. I screen capture the invite that I received to one of my students. So you'll receive an email like Hyoyeon Jun is from Sprout Social, added you to Salve Regional University group. Please click accept invite. And then we should set your password. Next steps for setting your account. Tell us which best describes your role. I'm here to... It doesn't matter what you choose, but please choose your purpose, why you want to learn Sprout. And then you will see your dashboard. This is the... whenever you log in to Sprout, you'll see this screen every time. And then let's connect your profile. So go to here where you see the initials of your name, and then click settings. And then you're connecting your profile. You can click Instagram, and then you can click business profile because we opened business accounts on Instagram, and manage your profile. So for yourself, you have to choose full publishing only to yourself, and for everyone else in our class, please choose read only. And recommend downloading Sprout app on your mobile as well. It's very useful for your Instagram business account management. You can also publish on your Instagram business account using this app. So you don't have to go to every different social media platforms, but instead with this app, you can just use Sprout as your platform to upload on multiple different kinds of platform. But since we're using only Instagram business account for our final project, I'm telling you that you can publish on your IG directly from Sprout as well. So let's talk about your goals. Do you have a number of followers that you want to achieve throughout the semester? 100? 200? I would say 100 is pretty realistic. Post high quality posts consistently. Consistency is the key. And engage when you're reaching people. So we will talk about publishing in our Sprout session 4. And you will keep posting on your account every week from this point. So I'm telling you, pick 2 to 3 templated content pillar posts. We call it pillar post. So it could be listening of the day, industry article every week. And if you're doing a beauty brand, our previous students uploaded a lot of skincare routine or information post about a skincare ingredient, like what is hyaluronic acid. I'm not entirely sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but niacinamide, something like that. So if you want to give out informative posts, if it's your choice, then please post 2 to 3 templated pillar posts and 1 to 2 unique posts every week. So unique posts can be something about event, or there was a student who built a energy drink brand that was sugar-free and very healthy. And she kept posting Monday motivation post and a picture that she found on pexels.com that people are doing group workout, and it seemed very encouraging for her target audience who's into the healthy eating and workouts. For publishing, I recommend 2 tools. I mentioned this in my last video, pexels.com, so free image source website for stock images. And for Canva, you can directly use Canva on Sprout Social's website as well. You can create social media post and then you can download as an image and you can post it on your page. So our next topic will be about social listening. So listening is forming the strategy, and think about publishing as executing that strategy. So we are basing listening on when we make the publishing plans. And it's the first step to understand your audience. So this is where everything starts. So I believe listening is one of the most important sessions in our semester. So you're uncovering trends in your industry and you're learning what you can actually modify in your actionable plan for your branding. And we talked about the core features when we start this video. And you will also submit your first weekly Sprout report after the listening lecture. So this is all I prepared for the second session for Sprout. And I hope you guys enjoy your time on Sprout. And let me know if you have any issue connecting your IG profile to Sprout. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!